Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform the hard reset of your Jaybird Run earbuds. Okay, so first of all we have to power off both earbuds, so grab them and click and hold these buttons until indicators turns red, just like that. The next step, we have to click and hold the right button for 6 seconds until indicators start blinking green. And right now click this button twice. As you can see, it turns to the orange and to the red, and it means that we successfully performed the reset. As you can see right now we are not connected anymore, and when I'm gonna turn on this both earbuds right now and move them to the pairing mode, as you can see I'm not connected back, so I just have to simply go and set up another connection. And that's the simple way how you can perform the reset of your Jaybird Run buds. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.